that all dusty? Oh my lord. Welcome back to the wood shop. We've got a few quick pointers here on how to stay more organized in the shop or at home. Keeping small parts organized or even just not lost can be difficult, but here's a few easy things you can do to change that. One would be zip tying components together that fit together. Another one is to use baggie, tape it to your workpiece, especially if it's something you're going to be storing for a while. And lastly, if you're working on a laptop or other electronics with lots of small fasteners, I like to draw a diagram of where exactly those go on a piece of cardboard and then just jab the fastener into the cardboard at that location. Not only does it keep you from losing the piece, but now you won't forget where it goes. Alright, those are pretty simple, but hopefully it helps somebody. Thanks for watching.